So hello, welcome back. So in last video we have seen regarding the how to download and install the Cytoscape app, and now I'm going to show you some of the demo with respect to how to actually design or to generate the interaction network of any gene or the protein-protein interaction or any gene or drug interaction using the Cytoscape app. So after whenever you get installed the particular Cytoscape tool, so after that you have to just open the Cytoscape, and whenever the annotations will be there in the Cytoscape, it will give you one of the pop-up over here that a new version of Cytoscape is available. And would you like to download the version? So previously I have downloaded 3.8.1 3 4 days back, and now after that it is showing me that again the new version has been come. It is 3.8.2. So if you want to download, you can just click on download, and that particular page will open. In that particular page where we have previously seen that how the Cytoscape we have downloaded. So that thing we can do. Right now I have just skipped that, and I'm just going to close. So whatever the recent interactions which I have done, that thing it will show me over here as a recent session like this, which interaction network I have generated and what I have worked. And before that, it will give me some sample of the session which has been available over here. You can see that is some of the samples which they have given. So if you want to see that how the interactions they have been carried out, so you can directly click and you can see how actually the interactions they have done with respect to generation or analysis part. So now I'm just going to show you that how we can input our interaction in the Cytoscape by giving certain files format, or directly by in the string database. You have seen that we can send the network directly to the Cytoscape. So you have to just close this, okay, and like this, hide the starter panel, and you have to go towards the file or the any of the import option, which file format you are using. So right now I'm using the TSV file format. So yeah, there are two also the different option from here, or else from here you can input your file. So right now I'm going to show you from this particular that is input network file system how you can give your particular file format, and that particular data will open in this particular Cytoscape. So that thing I'm going to show you. So that's the string interaction network what we have given. I'm just going to give here as form of TSV file format, and just we have to say that open. So here you will see different, I'll just make it large so that you can see what is that actually that included. Click on the column to edit, you can do. So in that string, we have seen the node 1 and node 2 information. And with respect to that, it's some other information the string is giving to me. That is the ensemble ID with respect to gene, or the chromosome locations, gene fusion information. So with respect to the string database, it is giving me some of the data, that is the co-expression data, experimentally interaction data, what are the different databases which has been annotated with using that particular gene sets, and the text mining of that particular gene with respect to the data sets what we have given, and the combined scores, so that some information the string database will provide to you. So or else you can ignore that and you can move for the designing the interaction network with respect to the node 1 and node 2 information. So here certain colors are indicating, so here you can even change that. So this green is the source node. Okay, based on this, the interaction will be built. Whereas the this particular interaction type is one of the uh, data you will find over here, whereas this particular information in the form of green, whereas we have seen what is green in the form of the source node, purple it is showing the interaction type, this it will show as a target node. Yes, this is our source node and this is our target node, so that we can generate our network. And this is some other attributes with respect to ages. So source attribute, node attribute, and target attributes. So based on that, this particular file means the data they have covered. So we can take as this as a source and this as a target for building the network. So I will just, yes, it is right for designing that particular network. So I will just click on OK. And whenever you can see over here that loading the network file, and here the particular network has been loaded. So before that, you can even see here that how many nodes and the edges are there in our network. So there are 26 nodes and 172 edges will be found. So you can just analyze the data, or you can again rebuild this particular network by using certain tabs which are being available over here. So before that, I just want to show you that one of the layout option is available here over here. You can click on that layout option and you can again regenerate your network by using certain layouts which is they have been provided. So this particular layout, it will show you apply preferred layout for that particular network. So you can click and whatever the preferred layout it will show, which has been shown over here. So you didn't want this particular layout. You want to change that. So you can change in the form of grid. So it will be in the form of grid, hierarchical layout. So it will give me the hierarchical layout. If you want, if you doesn't see what is there in that, you can, the maximum option or zoom in option is given to you. You can just click on the zoom option and you can see what is there in the particular gene is interacting with which particular node of that. So that's the thing you can find over here. I don't want the hierarchical, I want the circular. So this, it will give me the circular network, or this particular data what we have given. Next, you will find the different layouts will be there. So you can refer the layout based on what age or the node you want based on the interaction. Even apart from this, you can group the attribute based on the name data which has been shared, or the selected data what you want. So that type of things you can also generate your data or the layout from here. And if you want different files, so organic layout or the orthologous layout or the radial layouts, hierarchical layouts. So there are also different layouts, and for this you have to install this before using this particular things. And what are, how you can install that, I'm going to show you from here. So you have seen this particular app tab. So in this particular app tab, there is the app manager. In that you have to search different apps which are being available for designing or for interpreting your network using certain plugins which have been available in the Cytoscape, which really help you to rebuild your network with respect to your interaction or the your interest, what particular network you want to build. So here you can see there are nearly 236 apps are there, or the plugins available, so that you can analyze and annotate your data with respect to the pathway analysis or the gene expression data if you want to include, or you want to cluster your gene, or you want to find any hub genes, or that particular thing, or many more things are available. Just you can just scroll down and you can see what particular apps are there. So in this particular apps, you will also find certain commercial apps are also available. So that thing is little bit restricted towards here. So you can even generate certain uh, network with respect to analyzing the enrichment of the particular network, or by the including the gene expression data, or you can call the data based on the functional enrichment analysis, and that thing you can do. So based on your interest, you can just go through the home page or the um, information with respect to whatever the apps they have been given and how you actually utilized for your building your own interaction network. So here you can see the keg is also been included. So you can, based on the gene, you can even interact with certain pathways with respect to your interest. So there are very large number of apps are available. So you can visit this based on what type of interaction you need for building your own interaction network. And here you can find that what are the currently installed plugins are there, so that thing you will get, or anything updation is there. So any updated data or the plugins has been updated, that notification will be given here. So lastly, whenever updated, and is there any need to for updations, so you have to click on the update option, then it will get updated. So right now there is no updations in my particular tool, so it is not showing any updation. So we will move towards the network part. So this is the network. Now this is only the network thing. Now you can even change your network based on your interest. So in here in the style of you can see we are changing only the nodes from here. So here are the different background paint or the background border width, or the how you can view the background paint option is there. Fill the color, which color you want. You doesn't want the blue, you need certain different color like yellow or the uh, light blue. So anything you can take from here. So, and you can change the color of that particular. So right now you can see the change in the particular network over here. And now you can change the height by giving different numbers like 50. I want here as a 50. So you can change. So see there is a change in the network. So you can use different filters from here, and you can even include the images with respect to the network analysis. And you can change the label. If you doesn't want in black, you can change whatever color you need from here. And the sizes or the shapes what I'm talking about is this, that you can even change the shape in the different format. Like you can see the particular shape has been changed. You can refer any of the diamond or the circular, hexagonal, any of the thing you can prefer. So here you can see there is a change in the particular network. And with respect to the edges, so this particular line, you doesn't want that line, you want different line with respect to the list what they have been given. So you can use any of the line and you can just click on the apply. So here you can find that particular network, it is showing certain different interaction by I am referring the different style from here. So that thing you can do from here. So I will change into the solid line, and I will see that, yeah, so it has been in my previous thing. And the network part, here you can change the background the from here, and you can use different filters. So here this filter will show you that what particular style do you need for your network. So with respect to the which network do you need, so that's my network. So we have seen the style, and we have seen the what different shapes we can change from here. And here you can see with respect to the style that we can even change the uh, means the what particular visualization which we are getting over here into different style. So we doesn't want this, we can change in this particular source and code. and we can even change again which particular as like a sample band. So this the interaction will be changed. So whatever you need, you can refer that for changing your interactions. So if you want your network to be as a default, so and you want whatever the changes you want the previous what you have seen, you just click on Control Z, then the particular changes you have done, it will come as an undo and it will remain the same what has been it is there previously. So in filters. So that's the thing over here. You can use the network or the style option from here. You can even change the layout, whatever you need from here. And the tools, based on the tools and the apps, you can change your network and analyze your network. So in next video, I'm going to show you that how actually we can download or install the apps from here, like from the app manager, and we can analyze the data or the interaction with respect to clustering for designing the clusters or finding the hub chains or for design for finding the pathways related to that gene or including the gene expression data and finding which gene what we have given in the network with respect to the expression data sets. So that thing you can do. You can even plot with respect to this plot histogram option is there, plot the scatter plot is there, and you can even merge your network from here. So this is the network is there and you want to again merge different network. So in the particular session you can again add more networks in the same page. You can analyze your network from here also. So there are the different there is a very beautifully and very nicely the Cytoscape has given such analysis and interpretations of apps and the tools with respect to your interaction network what we have provided, and you want more information with respect to the Cytoscape how you can use. In help you can find the user manual or the demo videos and the tutorials with respect to that you can refer it. So now I'm going to show you that how, if you are satisfied with your network, the interaction what you have been created, so how you can actually save or export your network from here. So then there is an option you can see over here, that is export file option. So you have to click on the export file option from here, and there they will be provide you two options, that is export a network as a network or export as an image. So if you export as a network, then it will show you a different file format, that is SIF file format, Cytoscape file format, or graphical in the form of XML form file format, and different file formats will be there. So whatever you need, you can save based on which particular file format you need. So you have to give the which particular path where this particular network will be get saved. So that thing you have to do, and you have to just click on OK. Whereas if you need only the image for the research or the publication purpose, if you are satisfied with the network what we have you have been generated by using certain apps and tools in the Cytoscape, you can export as an image. So in image there will be a different file format, as a JPG file format, PDF will be also there, PNG file format, PS file format, SVG file format. So there you have to give the path where you need. You have to give what particular zoom, that is how much particular interaction network you need. So that thing you can do from here, or else you can use the pixel or the inches of the data you want with respect to width and height. You can change what is the resolution you need for that, and the transparent background you need or you need it doesn't need for that. So you can click check the button like this, or you want the levels should be there, so you have to click on the height level, or you want the levels for your network. That thing you have to do, and you have to just click on the OK. While doing this particular network what you need, it will get uh, saved in your particular session, or it will get exported from the particular um, path which you have been given. So that's the basic flow or the information what actually the particular Cytoscape is providing to us, and it will also give us the net notifications with respect to here. It will come as a red any updations with respect to the pathways or the apps or the tools are there. So that thing it will give you from here. So that's the thing with respect to the Cytoscape is there as a beginner. So in advance, I will show you in the next video that after keeping the network with respect to any of the data what you are providing, so by generating those network, how you can analyze that network and you can interpret with respect to using different apps and tools are available in the particular Cytoscape. So that thing I'm going to explore you, and I'm going to give you the demo with respect to the apps manager, how we can use different apps and we can find different gene expression data we can link, how we can link the different uh, identifying the hub genes or the clustering in the particular cytoscape. So that's the overall flow with respect to the cytoscape. Thank you.